So Jace has type 1 diabetes, and the morning time, this is his insulin, morning time is actually the hardest because his blood sugar, it takes more insulin and more time to get his blood sugar stable and to get over breakfast because he tends to hike. He has type 1 diabetes and celiac disease, and he was diagnosed with both at the same time because his immune system when he was sick, attacked both his pancreas and his intestines, causing both at the same time. So I gave him his shot, and now I'm making him breakfast. His favorite is pancakes. This is gluten-free. It's higher in carbs, but I combat the higher carbs with extra eggs. So I used 1/3 of a cup of pancake mix, 3 eggs. I also make an egg for the top. It's just cooked on both sides, and I use about 2 tablespoons of the organic pure maple syrup that we get, and this is excellent.